Since March, we've all been using video chat more, a lot more. Thanks to the pandemic, Zoom has become a household name. Even your grand's heard about it. But for your business, have you given Microsoft Teams a proper look? It's got a whole load of new features for video calls. Now you can see 9 people on screen instead of just 4. This is great because there's no more guessing who said what. There's a raise your hand button, which you can press if it's hard to get a word in. This button can also mute those who aren't speaking. There's a whiteboard, which allows everyone to brainstorm, write, and draw together. A pop-out chat function now lets you keep your chat window open while using other Teams tabs. And finally, live captions have been added. These automatic, real-time captions are great for those who are deaf or hard of hearing, but also when you're sat somewhere noisy. So if you haven't tried Microsoft Teams for video calling, it's definitely worth a look. It's very efficient to have all your communication and collaboration with your staff in one place. If you want some help setting up Teams or accessing other new features, get in touch.